Street takeovers have been happening more frequently across the country. We've even seen several in the Greater Cincinnati area. This bill makes it a crime for anyone to participate in what's being called stunt driving. We're talking about donuts, burnouts, drifting, and wheelies.
Police are trying to deal with these events, and they have taxed the resources of law enforcement to the limits. Unfortunately, these incidents have also resulted in numerous injuries and even fatalities at times.
Mary McDonald, a former mayor in a Dayton suburb, says these street events have affected her personally.
A dear friend of mine was killed in an accident by a driver who was engaging in street racing. This reckless incident is causing damage and death throughout our communities. It must be stopped.
The bill also makes hooning, or letting someone ride partially or fully outside your car, a crime. And participating in a street takeover by blocking or impeding traffic for street racing is also illegal under the bill. It also increases the penalty for anyone who leads police on a pursuit, increasing the base offense from a misdemeanor to a fourth-degree felony. It also increases prison time for anyone convicted of fleeing, including people who run more than once. While it's received a tremendous amount of support, there are opponents to the increased fines and new crimes it creates.
We do not support increasing criminal penalties for behavior which is already illegal, such as fleeing from law enforcement. We do not support income-based punitive measures that create a two-tiered system of justice, such as the fines for hooning proposed in this legislation.
Lastly, the bill requires police and sheriff's departments to consider pursuit policy recommendations from the Ohio Collaborative Community Police Advisory Board or a similarly accredited entity. Now, those departments must also train their officers on the policy.